are like iris, you know.
Hello and welcome to Bio Basics with Sunny. So today we're going to be identifying using the Allen cell, the generously given Allen cell mitosis. Yep, cell identification practice kit that we can use to identify the stages of mitosis. So essentially what we have here is an image provided by the Allen Cell Lab. And what we're going to do is we're going to be identifying interphase, early prophase, late prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase and cytokinesis. So I have this example image with these three things. So see if you can identify them. You can pause the video right now to see, to test your knowledge.
Are you actually recording?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm assuming you've paused the video, so here are the answers. What we're going to do is for interphase, well, we can see, what are we looking for? We're looking for relatively intact cells where it's still chromatin, right? And these are still relatively intact. Honestly, like we can circle these, and we're going to be counting these up later. So it's very important that you keep track of these. Really, these are all really the intact ones. There's one up here that's hiding a bit, one up there, and yeah, so everything else, and we can argue that this one is still an interphase. It's just beginning to break down, and this one as well, and this one, along with this one. So those are all the ones that are still in interphase. But now, as we approach early prophase, this is when the chromatin starts breaking down, starts forming, beginning to form chromosomes, just in the early process. And what we're looking for are these gaping holes over here. So we can look at these, and we're just going to circle all these, and these are the ones where it's very grainy, lots of like tiny holes. So these are ones. It's a bit actually difficult to differentiate between early prophase and interphase because they're just so similar. They just kind of blend in with each other. But I'm just going to be circling all of these, and make sure you're following along at home because it's very important to know these skill sets as you embark on your career in biology, which I'm sure all of you watching this video are going to be doing. So I'm just circling all these, and there are a lot of early prophase ones. And look at this one. Oh, that's a big one, right? So I've circled all these. We're going to be counting them
All
later.
yours are just an early prophase?
Yes, except. So excellent question, Justin. He's my colleague, a teaching colleague of mine. So this one is in metaphase, and how do we know it's in metaphase and not in
It's because
anaphase?
of this line.
Exactly.
All the chromosomes.
Right on. Yeah, what you said. And so it's not an anaphase, and people often confuse metaphase with anaphase because there's spindle fibers that are just stretching out, a bit like in this formation, right? However, if you can draw a straight line through every single chromosome, then you know it is in metaphase because they line up at the equator of the cell. So that's in metaphase, and yep. That's just one example. It does kind of. Yeah, that's one example of identifying the stages of mitosis through a cross-section of a cell. Thank you very much. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you. Have a good day.